Numpy overview. So as we know that Numpy is a mathematical used for mathematical computations, and it is a foundation package available in Python. Okay, foundation library available in Python, and it has a following properties like it is very fast and efficient for multi-dimensional array called as ND array. And with the help of NumPy, we can easily perform any type of algebraic operation, Fourier transform, random number generation. You know about random number generation. There is a function called random method through by which we can generate the random number, and we can do our task. We can also execute the element wise computations like we have seen in the previous videos, how we have calculated speed when we have a two array distance and time. Then we have performed element wise calculation. Element wise calculation means one element of one array will be executed with the one element of second array, that is element wise computations. And NumPy provides tools for reading and writing an array based data set to the disk. Also it provides integration tools, with the help of that we can easily integrate with languages written in the written in the C and C++ language and any other languages. And these are the few properties of ND array, like ND array is a collection of values, and it is a multi-dimensional array. We can easily add or remove and change the element in an array. It is a very fast and efficient that I have already added earlier. It provides a mathematical support functions. It is a homogeneous in nature. So these are the few properties of ND array. Okay. Then you might know about this the types of array from your mathematics concept, that we have 1D array, 2D array, and 3-dimensional array. So one dimensional array means it rank is 1. Rank is 1 means it has only one row. It has only one row. And if we think about in the if we think in terms of axis, then it has only one axis, that is x-axis. And 2D array means its rank is 2, means it has two axes, two number of rows is there. And if we think in terms of axes, then it has x-axis and y-axis, and these are the elements, the row position and column positions is there. In three-dimensional array we have three number of rows and three number of columns, like x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis.